say being prepared, being well trained, having quality equipment, and being aware of your surroundings and the weather of the day.
Making sure your vehicles are equipped for the conditions. So that would mean having snow tyres, making sure your drivers have got the hazardous area accreditation. As well as having done that hazardous area course, we would suggest doing a refresher before the season for the drivers, especially if they're not here regularly.
Very low visibility, ice, international drivers on the wrong side of the road, and general land of extremes rather than averages.
Majority of the cars that come through the area, they want to be where they want to be 5 minutes ago. They're not necessarily willing to give you the room that you need and do it at the pace that you need.
We had a vehicle go off the edge just up the road here towards the village. That does happen quite frequently actually on a snowy day. Even vehicles with chains on experience that, and they just forgot to sort of slow down, drive more carefully, choose a lower gear, select low range in that particular vehicle, and unfortunately had an accident, but thankfully they were okay.
Most importantly, I think that you need to be willing to take your time. Be willing to slow down if the conditions aren't perfect. Don't be afraid to take a little bit of extra time to do so.
Knowing how to use their equipment, so making sure they can fit chains. We recommend at your depot when it's nice and dry and clear, just pull the chains out in summer or before you're coming up here in autumn and fit them with all your drivers, just so everyone knows how to do it, because it is a repetition thing. The more you do it, then when you actually have to do it in the snow and when you can't feel your fingers, then it's a lot easier.
Probably just be prepared in the depot the day before, double check you do have the right chains, double check you do have all the equipment, and maybe read the synoptic chart the night before to make sure the weather is what the weatherman says.